Kaseng Kongres saka arpu pratari ulubayar araja arpulai kalau pynlong ke jingīakhih haplau ke Kongres Bhavan Shillong kum kada ke jing persya ya ke jing shah weng Rahul Gandhi na ke jinglong MP ha ke ying dorbar thawan Lok Sabha. Kinoi lam ke parti ki MLA pergi dekat kila wan banias nok tilang syakane ke jingīakhih bat perta persya ya ke sarkar pedang balam khmat da ke BJP. Ubat Ronnie V. Lingdo, MLA ke parti na menliam ulaang. Bakin yai beteng ya kene ke jingīakhih tat haduk bau Rahul on yo ya ke jing bishar ke bahak.
Rahul Gandhi,
Zindabad!
Congress Party,
Zindabad!
Congress Party,
Zindabad!
Congress Party,
Zindabad!
BJP,
Down, down!
BJP,
Down, down!
BJP,
Down, down!
Modi,
Down, down!
Modi,
Down, down!
Modi.
Down, down!
On the action against our leader, Shri Rahul ji, we have staged this protest to mark a protest by the Congress Party of Meghalaya, and then we condemn the disqualification. This is suppressing the democratic right, suppressing the democratic freedom of speech, expression by the NDA government led by Narendra Modi ji. So we condemned. This is ultimate. They want to suppress the truth that our leader Rahul Gandhi ji has been raising in Parliament, has been raising in various platforms about the misgovernance, about the misrule, about the trying to suppress democratic rights, trying to kill democracy, and even go to the extent of disqualifying a leader of the Congress Party by disqualifying him as a member of Parliament. This is, I think, not seen anywhere in the world where an democratically elected leader has been disqualified by very, very unfair means. You see, we are concerned about what we feel. We are not concerned about what the others feel because they are entitled to their opinion. We only express a strong opposition. We condemn this action taken by the Modi government against our leader Rahul Gandhi because they are fearing, they have been rattled by the response, the support that is getting from the people all over the country with his Bharat Jodo Yatra, where we are trying to ensure that irrespective of caste, creed, gender, we are all Indians, and that is the message that we've been sending. And I think because the NDA government survives on creating this communal division, communal hatred based on caste, creed and gender. So the Congress Party, our leader Rahul Gandhi believes in uniting the country, that we live peacefully, coexist harmoniously irrespective of all our differences, because India is a country, we believe in unity in diversity. They believe in unity in uniformity. We protest against that. You see, we have just ended the budget session. So we feel, yes, this action of the BJP is also important, but equally important is we've just had the budget session and we've just finished the election, and this is the first budget session, so we cannot organize properly because we're all busy. We have about 5 elected members from the Congress Party. We were all busy participating in the proceedings of the House, especially being the budget session, because this budget session, will have implications throughout the year in the development and governance of the state. Yes, we will carry on until justice is done.
Tomorrow we will have extended.
Tomorrow we're going to have a press conference to express our views and about this action of the NDA government.